What is happening, guys? We are Craig and Amy and you are watching Kinging It.
That was really loud.
We'd like to thank our friends at Skillshare for sponsoring this video.
This is our van. Her name is Custard and she's in one hell of a shape. The inside is pretty much finished, but her bodywork is a sight for sore eyes. In this video, we will be making her as Christmassy as possible and also installing a diesel heater.
Finally, it's bloody freezing.
Her name is Custard. And she's a big yellow custody bus. So soon she'll be our home.
The best home.
And we can go anywhere in her because she's yellow like custard. Custard.
It's time to Christmasify Custard.
I got a better idea. Bought this Christmas grenade, £2.99. Watch this.
Morning, Nigel! Woo! What you got there? You're gonna need that.
Back on the tools, lads.
This is literally the coolest parcel I think we've ever got.
This has been gifted to us by a guy called Ped Baker. This is his Instagram. He's a sick metal worker. What are they called? He's a metal crafter.
I was just gonna say he's very talented with his metal.
So he does all kinds. He does like fire pits, like shelving, signs and all that kind of stuff. So we'll link him, check him out. He sent us a Kinging It fire pit. I can't wait to open this. Have you ever had a parcel where you've got to open it with a drill? No, you haven't.
No.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Here we go. Lads, hope you like it. Only burn wood, not coal. And don't fill it over half full. Enjoy.
Okay.
Thanks, mate. So he's actually sent us the extra. He did a test cutting, which is how he sprayed that on the box.
Yeah.
So we can tag up the town like go graffiti in and that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool. We're going to get arrested real soon.
Here we go. So this is him.
Okay. Ped Metal Craft. What a crafty metalist.
Crafty devil, isn't he? So now we just need to figure out how to put this together because I don't think there's any instructions.
Oh, bro, hold this camera now. I'll show you now. Oh, look at that. It's going great in it.
It's so cool.
Look.
That's amazing.
Just look at the craftsmanship on that.
The craftsmanship.
The craftsmanship.
Craftsmanship. What's he saying about you, Ped?
Do you love it? And are you super proud that it only took us about 6 minutes to put together instead of one, baby?
Yeah, we did it backwards. We put the bottom in, tried to put the bottom in last.
Yeah, I should have got in
But
first.
yeah, thank you so much, Ped. It's incredible.
I love it.
I can't believe you've literally just made that for us, like with a custom Kinging It logo.
I know.
It's amazing.
It's going to come in so handy as well because, like, obviously it's winter and we want to keep warm and we go outside. We don't always have to be sitting in the bus, so it's going to be great in it for the winter.
It's going to be class.
I think we're going to get our use out of it, definitely.
So yeah, if you're looking for something like this, if you're a van lifer or you just you take holidays and you go camping or whatever.
Or if you've just got a back garden or a front garden.
Yeah.
It's definitely for you.
If you've got a pulse, then give Ped a message for a custom fire pit. Thank you so much, mate.
Thank you.
Nice jumper.
Oh, thanks. It's new.
Is it?
It's from kingingit.com/shop.
Oh, that's sick, man.
Thank you. Welcome back, guys, to Christmas Custard. Don't be fooled, though. Everyone's like, oh my gosh, she looks so cozy. We spent like 2 days dressing her. Absolutely freezing. We really want to spend the night because obviously when it's all dark and stuff, it looks so lush. But good news. We're getting a heater fitted tomorrow. So we bought one of the cheapo diesel heaters. Don't have a go at me. I looked, okay? There was like really expensive ones or the Chinese diesel heaters. I've got a friend called James. He's going to fit it tomorrow and I couldn't be more excited.
Just a quick another shout out. our Christmas topper, if you guys saw it in the video, is actually made by my sister. So she's got an awesome shop called In Rainbow. She makes Christmas toppers, Christmas decorations, and all kinds of like animal heads for your kids' rooms and stuff.
She's
so
awesome.
click the link in the description and check out her shop.
You're welcome.
So today we literally got one job to do because everyone keeps moaning at us. They're like, you need to put some holes in your bed because it's going to get mouldy.
I started apologising. I'm like, yes, Terry, I'll do it on Saturday. But I know it's for our own good.
So we're just going to pop some holes in the bed, but we need to take the mattress off first.
Oh, we're going to have to move everything round. Also, when we take this bus tomorrow to James, everything that's sticking out has got to come off because it's just going to fly all over the shop. Alright, so we've decided, because we can't be bothered to take everything down, I'm just going to lift the mattress and Craig's just going to drill. Like, simple, it's super easy, it's going to be absolutely fine. Okay, you ready? Right, go on, do one. Do one quick. Do you know where you're doing it? Oh, he's done it.
Sake.
What's happened? I think you might need some of these.
Nothing straightforward. This bit's broken, so I can't take the bottom part off to just poke the wood through.
Yes.
So we're using an Otti mattress opener and a bloody pair of forks to pull the wood out.
So whenever we make the holes, the whole of the wood goes and sticks into the machine thing. Drill.
This is why we get people in, because between the pair of us, we're
like both using it here. We're just like putting it on either side and then scooping it out.
Clever. Make a pincer.
And then I finished the last hole and then it fell through the bed.
One of those days, Holmes.
We need some time off. The battery's dead!
Okay. Job for tomorrow. So like we said at the beginning of this video, massive shout out to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. This is actually a really good sponsorship this week. We both use Skillshare, we've used it for a while now. It's kind of like an online learning platform for creative souls such as ourselves and you.
You're creative, yeah.
Proper creative me. So it's got over 25,000 classes for you to pick like whatever you want. It's literally like a golden platform for you to learn anything you would want in the world. For example, like how to build a relationship with your dog, or how to make meatballs, or music, or art. Like, it's all there in one spot. I think it's brilliant. I do. I've been using it for like a month now, and there's so much on there. I've got so many things saved. I have no time to learn how to sew, but one day I will get around to it.
It is pretty class. So we've actually been writing books, the pair of us. It's been a long time coming. And we've got no idea how to get our books out there. So there's actually a video on Skillshare called The Beginner's Guide to Self-Publishing. So we've been watching that through and getting really scared about these books coming out. And also a lot of you always ask like, how do we edit our videos? And that's not something that we've covered on our YouTube channel, but Skillshare have got heaps of stuff on there. There's a wicked course by a fella named Oliver, and it's a step-by-step guide of how to edit videos. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, that is perfect.
So Skillshare actually giving away a free 2-month unlimited access trial to you guys.
How good is that?
Amazing.
So all you have to do is click the link in the description, and after that it's around $10 a month. We're getting loads of parcels this week. Remember when we used to get loads of presents? You guys used to send us like parcels every week when we lived in Queenstown.
In New Zealand, yeah.
And then you just all forgot about us, apart from a handful of people.
Nobody cares.
One of those people is Tracy Collins.
Yeah.
She sent us a little present all the way from Australia.
Is it from Australia?
Yeah. From Victoria.
Oh yeah.
It's actually wrapped and everything, look at that.
Oh, no way.
Craig and Amy. I feel like we should wait till Christmas to open this.
No, get it open now.
Dear Craig and Amy, here's £1 million.
Oh.
Dear Craig and Amy, wishing you a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year with love from Tracy and Andrew. Thanks for being who you are. Hope you like the... Oh, she's giving it away.
Oh, don't tell me. This Christmas has come early. I hope she doesn't think we should have waited until Christmas to actually open it. Oh, it's just their pictures. They must have... No, because that's next year. No, it's next year's calendar. But I think they must have gone to Europe and made a little calendar and they put it in there.
Oh, amazing.
Oh, it's wipeable, Craig. It's wipeable. Oh, thank you so much, guys. Oh yeah, and I just want to say, it's Craig's birthday on Friday.
It's my birthday!
No, you're not supposed to hear this. And obviously he's getting on a bit, you know, and he doesn't get as many presents as he used to. So if anyone wants to send him a card or like a little gift, let me know. Just Facebook message us because I look after them and I'll give you his address. Okay, thanks guys.
Your turn to turn the lights off.
And that's us for today, ladies and gentlemen. Over and out.
Morning lads, so we're in the garage. We're with our mate James. He's about to fit the diesel heater. Amy just left it at home. Fantastic. Well done.
So yes, we did go with a cheapo Chinese one. We actually bought it off Gumtree off a guy who was selling it. So fingers crossed all the pieces are there, because the only reviews I've read really are that it either stops working after 3 days or that it doesn't come with everything in the box. There's always missing something. So
it turns out there was something missing. Whilst James worked out where the heater was going to go, we checked the contents of the box. We wanted to plumb the heater into our fuel tank instead of using the small one that it came with, and we were missing this little metal bit. I knew just the guy to call, Gary from Barry. Colour?
Oh, pink.
I don't care mate, whatever's going.
Maybe like white with glitter.
Silver is my favourite colour, so that's perfect.
That's a lie. We're saving grace.
Stuck again, are you?
Cheers, Gar. Appreciate it, mate.
Got all the bits with it?
This was the piece that we needed for it to go.
Gary's just saving us again. What a champion.
He's a lifesaver, really, isn't he?
He bailed us out last time, like last minute we didn't have these tiny little brass things for our hob. And we wouldn't have had we wouldn't have had anything to cook on, and Gary shows up last second and he's like, there you go, found some in my workshop.
Yeah.
Saved us again. What a boy.
You didn't just hit his car though, did you?
I didn't hit his car, no. It's fine.
Kissed it, is that what you said?
This doesn't go into reverse sometimes, so I just like kiss the back of his van like that. Just look, it's fine.
I hope he doesn't watch his vlog, Craig.
Sorry,
Patricia, that's his baby.
So James had a little look underneath the bus and apparently the gearbox is leaking loads of oil.
Oh great! It's just the news we wanted.
Yeah, running down from the inside.
Oh yeah.
Bit of gaffer tape down, is there?
Yeah, on a bit of silicone and she'll be mint.
Lads, we're back at the bus. The boys smashed it out yesterday. They were done by 5 o'clock.
They did.
And they've installed a heater. So nice one, Jay and James. You guys are absolute legends. So this is now what the bus looks like with a heater.
Ta-da! It took them all those hours and this is what we have to show.
Well, this is our vent. That's where the hot air comes out.
Yeah.
And we've got this little LCD screen by here where we can control the temperature up and down.
Let's turn it on.
So this is where she lives. So we've got a little pipe that goes through there, and then there is where it comes out.
And we're going to get like a twin pipe, aren't we? So we're going to have one that comes out here and does the whole, what do you call it, cabin? No.
It's just a bus, isn't
It's a
it?
bus. And then we're going to have one that goes under the bed, and obviously we drilled some holes, or like how we did the holes. And one will stay under the bed and heat the bed up before we get into it. So fantastic. I can't wait. I can't wait to go somewhere cold and test it out.
It's quite loud, isn't it?
That's a truck coming in from by there.
Oh, that's what that is. Thank you so much to Jay and James from NNS in Barry for fitting our heater. You boys are absolute legends. Whilst we were there, we also got to meet James's son Ollie, who summed up our thoughts on his dad perfectly.
I love my dad. My dad is the best.
He sure is, kid.
Have I got hash brown in my teeth?
No, bye.
No.
I'm gonna just hold up my arm with your arm, if you will. So we finally got a cosy Christmassy custard.
I'm so happy.
No, I was just gonna say the same thing. Yeah, because like it's really cold in Wales at the moment. It's like bordering on
It's
0
like
degrees.
-15.
So now we can actually come up and sleep in the bus if we want, which is brilliant.
Yeah, I can't wait.
So we've been having a little chat, and there's a few things we want to say. First of all, massive shouts to our patrons, because you guys have been supporting us for a long time now, And a huge thanks to David Peake as well, because David keeps on sorting us out and he's a top patron. So yeah, thanks to you guys. It really helps, like every week, every month to just top up the funds, because Custard is not cheap.
She's the priciest person ever, and for everybody that's buying merch as well, you honestly don't realise how much you're helping us out, because all of that money goes straight into Custard to getting her fixed so we can get back on the road. So true thanks to everybody that's helped and supported Kinging It this year. Yeah, so orders have been flying in, which is great. So it's going to be awesome to see you all rocking your Kinging It merch for send
Christmas.
us some pictures, because nobody's really sent us anything.
No, we haven't had one.
I would love to see you in it, wherever you're going with it. Send us a selfie. I would love it.
Yeah. So we've had a chat, Amy and I, and the last 18 months has just been crazy for us. Like, if you are new to our channel and you're not sure what we've been up to, or if you have been around, you'll know that in the last 18 months, we've done the Mongol Rally, which was mental. It is the best trip of our lifetime. And then, not long after that, we went to India and drove a rickshaw from the north to the south. Our very own rickshaw called Chapati. And then we spent the summer renovating this bus and driving it through Europe. And then in between that, we went to like Iceland, Australia, Portugal. Yeah, we were just all over the place. And like, we're not complaining because it was amazing, but we're just... knackered. We're knackered, and we haven't had any time for us. No. Like, when you watch couples on YouTube, it looks like they're living the dream, and we do have a great time. We're super grateful for everything that we get to do, but the sacrifice is that we don't get to spend much time together as a couple. You know, we're working a lot behind the scenes on our laptops and stuff, and it gets very work orientated. So we've decided to take a little break from social media. We're still going to be posting a few bits here and there, but we're not going to be posting on YouTube for a few weeks. But in the new year, we're going to come back, aren't we? And we're going to keep filming the progress on Custard, and we'll come out with a banger in the new year. Yeah. And hopefully by then we would have figured out our plans, what we want to do next year. Yeah, we need to sort our lives out, really. Yeah. I think that's the main thing. Yeah, so we just need to get ourselves back on track and take a little woosah, don't we? Yeah, have Christmas with friends, with family, together, innit? Because there's a lot that goes on behind the Kinging It scenes, and because we're self-employed, we have to make all of our things happen. We have to reach out to companies, and it's really time-consuming. And it's not like a 9 to 5. We don't really have a chance to turn off sometimes, so this is gonna be lovely for us. It's gonna give us a little boost that we need, I think, and some downtime that we definitely need. So as Craig said, Custard, she's having a lot of renovations. The heater's just the start of it. We've got a huge list. I don't know, I'm not going to give anything away, but it's going to be a brand new year, and it's going to be a brand new Custard. So even though she may not be yellow, she's still Custard to us. So thanks again, guys, for all the support, all the comments, all the love. Like, we make these videos to make people laugh, to make you guys laugh, and to inspire you to get out there and just do something that you would never have thought of doing. And so many of you are buying vans and like booking trips, and all this stuff's happening for you guys, which is amazing. So just remember that, we always say it, rule your own world. Just get out there and just do what you love, what makes you happy. Go and do it. So we'll see you in the new year. Hope you all have the best Christmas and New Year with your families. And take it easy. Drink loads, eat loads, be merry, and we'll see you in the new year. 1, 2, 3, bye! Help us repair Custard's battered chassis by buying some brand new Kinging It merch. Or support our channel by becoming a patron.